A warm welcome to our Open Time viewers. We kick off with the people from Corinth still struggling to get their lives together in loving. And then we cross to Wimbledon for a live transmission up to 8 o'clock when we say goodnight to our Open Time viewers, while our live transmission continues till 9. Our late night movie, Tora, 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 will take us back to the historic events that led up to the attack on Pearl Harbor. The highlights of the day's tennis at Wimbledon will be screened just after the movie, followed by a repeat of South Africa's most popular magazine program, Carte Blanche. Stay tuned for endless entertainment. Naand sê 'n hartlike welkom aan almal wat nou net by die Silverdoek kon aansluit. Nou vandag se pykvermaak agter die rug en nog baie meer wat voorlê. Vir tennisentoesiaste is daar 'n fees vanaand wanneer ons om 7:10 oorskakel vir 'n regstreekse uitsending van die spel op Wimbledon.
Southern Sun, the premier hotel group, and Rapport, South Africa's largest Afrikaans newspaper, invite you to join them on Mnet for the most famous cycle tour in the world, the exciting Tour de France. Join us daily on Mnet from Saturday the 1st of July through to Monday the 24th of July for all the action and excitement as we take you through this breathtaking course from the start in Luxembourg to the finish in Paris. The 1989 Tour de France, proudly brought to you by Southern Sun and Rapport.